So I've been seeing these floating around. I wanted to give them a shot. This is a solder heat shrink in one. And I tried just going straight in together, and it makes a really crappy connection. Look at that. The solder ended up flowing just to one side. So what I'm going to do, what I'm trying now, is I made a lineman splice. I slipped this onto the, just like you would regular heat shrink before you twist it up, and then we're going to try and melt that. And I think this will be the way to go if you're going to use these. I also tried using like a little torch lighter, pocket torch, which usually works great for this kind of stuff because it's good in the wind, but it just melted and didn't solder shit. So busted out the trusty Zippo. Obviously a heat gun would work best for this, but you know, when you're in the field, you want something. You're not going to have a heat gun in your truck. You know what I'm saying? Like you're on the side of the road. So I got the Zippo in here. Let's see if it'll solder. It's hard to do while you're looking at the camera. So there you go. That seemed to solder pretty good. So it does seem to have soldered pretty well. So that's the trick. You can't use a torch. Heat gun would be best. But looking at this outer layer here, I wouldn't just trust this to last. It's already, you can tell the heat's damaged it ever so slightly. So if you're going to use these, you should have some extra heat shrink to put on top. So as you can see, a little extra layer protection, and that is a pretty good repair. So I want to test these out. I am going to use these on the truck here and clean some wires up, and just I'll let you know how they hold up. Alright, so what I want to do is test how strong these solder joints are. So I got a axe head into this log, probably weighs 30-40 pounds. We'll just see if we can lift it up. If the wire even holds. It's off the ground. It broke at the joint, but that's still, it took a lot of effort to rip